What if the deepest wrinkle on your face is not actually caused by aging, but by your skin slowly drying out every night while you sleep? That question stopped many seniors instantly because some older adults say their skin did not suddenly become old. It suddenly became dry, rough, and tired-looking all at once. And honestly, this is why many seniors became shocked after hearing dermatologists talk about one extremely cheap supermarket item people ignored for years. Not a luxury cream, not a celebrity product, not a painful treatment, something simple sitting quietly in stores the whole time. Before we continue, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell me honestly in the comments. When does your skin look the oldest? Early morning, after stress, or under bright bathroom light? And remember, this is a supportive, consistent process, not a magic fix that changes skin overnight. Number 1. Vaseline. Many seniors are now using a very thin layer of Vaseline at night because dry, aging skin often loses moisture while sleeping. When the skin becomes too dry, tiny lines and wrinkles may suddenly start looking sharper, rougher, and deeper under light. That is why some older adults now focus less on complicated anti-aging routines and more on helping the skin stay moisturized longer during the night. Now picture this clearly. It is late evening. A senior washes the face gently before bed and notices the cheeks looking dry under bathroom light. Instead of opening 5 expensive products, the person lightly presses a tiny amount of Vaseline onto rough areas near the mouth, cheeks, or forehead. Immediately, the skin looks calmer, not oily, not shiny, just less dry and less stressed. And honestly, this is what shocked many older adults the most. Some people later realized their skin did not actually look old. It looked dehydrated. Now, here is something important many seniors never hear enough. Mature skin after 60 usually becomes thinner and drier naturally over time. That means the skin may lose moisture faster during cold weather, indoor heating, long hot showers, or even overnight while sleeping. And when moisture disappears, wrinkles often become more visible. That is why some seniors now treat nighttime moisture support almost like part of their evening routine, instead of waiting until the skin already feels rough and uncomfortable. But here is the mistake many older adults make immediately: using too much. Some people spread thick, heavy layers across the entire face, hoping for faster results. But many seniors later realized smaller amounts often feel more comfortable and natural on mature skin. And here comes the interesting part. Some older adults later noticed the biggest difference not in wrinkles, but in texture. The skin started feeling softer, less flaky, less tight, less rough around dry areas. Now imagine waking up early in the morning, walking past the mirror, and noticing your face does not look as tired as usual under bright light. That small moment alone surprised many seniors more than expensive skincare promises online. Because healthy-looking skin after 60 often depends on consistency, moisture support, and gentle care over time. Not dramatic overnight miracles. And honestly, this is why many older adults are becoming more careful with harsh products that leave the face feeling stretched, dry, or irritated afterward. Some seniors later realize the skin often looks smoother when it feels protected instead of constantly stripped. But do not leave yet, because the next supermarket item in this video surprised many older adults even more. Most people only think of it as something people drink at breakfast, but some seniors now quietly use it because of how soft and refreshed the skin feels afterward. Number 2. Cold milk. Many seniors became interested in cold milk after noticing something strange about aging skin. The face often starts looking rougher, not because of deep wrinkles alone, but because dry skin loses softness and smooth texture over time. Some older adults say their skin started feeling tight immediately after washing the face, especially during colder months or after using strong cleansers for years. That is why some seniors now gently use cold milk on dry areas, because the natural fats inside milk may help the skin feel softer and calmer temporarily. And honestly, many older adults became surprised by how refreshing the cool feeling itself felt on tired-looking skin. Now imagine this clearly. Early morning sunlight enters the kitchen while a senior quietly places a soft cotton pad into cold milk before gently pressing it across dry cheeks and rough areas near the mouth. The skin instantly feels cool, calm, and less irritated. No burning feeling, no harsh peeling, no heavy chemical smell. Just simple, gentle care. And honestly, this is what many seniors later realized. Mature skin often reacts better to calmer, supportive habits instead of aggressive products that leave the face feeling stretched afterward. But here is something important many people ignore. Overwashing the face may sometimes leave aging skin looking even drier and older than before. That is why some older adults now focus more on protecting softness instead of constantly scrubbing the skin trying to remove every small line. Some seniors later noticed their skin looked fresher simply because it stopped feeling dry all the time. And honestly, this surprised many older adults more than expensive skincare promises online. Now here comes the next thing many seniors say changed how their skin looked under bright light almost immediately. Number 3. Sugar and oil scrub. Some older adults started using simple sugar mixed with oil because rough dead skin sometimes builds slowly on the surface without people realizing it. Over time, the skin may start looking dull, flaky, uneven, and tired, no matter how many creams people use afterward. That is why some seniors now gently massage a soft sugar and oil mixture onto rough areas to help remove surface buildup, while leaving the skin feeling smoother afterward. Now, this does not mean harsh scrubbing the face aggressively, and honestly, this is where many people make mistakes immediately. Mature skin after 60 usually becomes thinner and more delicate, so rough pressure may irritate the skin instead of helping it. That is why some older adults now focus on soft, slow movements only for short periods. Now picture this scene clearly. A senior stands at the bathroom sink gently massaging a small sugar and oil mixture across dull, dry skin, using slow circular movements before rinsing carefully with lukewarm water. Afterward, the face looks cleaner, softer, and brighter under the mirror light. And honestly, many seniors became shocked because they realized rough surface skin was making the face look more tired than expected. But here is another thing many older adults later noticed. Healthy-looking skin is not only about removing wrinkles. Texture matters too. When the skin feels smoother, softer, and less flaky, many seniors say the face naturally starts looking healthier overall. This is a supportive, consistent process, not a magic fix that changes skin overnight. And honestly, this is why many older adults are becoming more careful now with very strong exfoliating products that leave the skin red or uncomfortable afterward. Some seniors later realized gentler routines often felt easier to continue long-term, but do not leave yet because the next thing in this video may surprise you more than anything so far. One simple powder sitting in almost every kitchen may help dull, tired-looking skin appear brighter within minutes, and many seniors completely ignored it for years. Number 4. Baking soda. Many seniors became curious about baking soda after noticing something frustrating happening to their skin after 60. Even after washing the face, the skin sometimes still looked dull, rough, tired, or uneven under bright light. Some older adults say they first noticed it in bathroom mirrors or during daytime sunlight near windows. The face no longer looked fresh and smooth the way it used to years earlier. Instead, the skin slowly started looking flat and lifeless no matter how many creams were used afterward. That is why some seniors now use a very tiny amount of baking soda mixed with water, because it may help gently clean surface buildup from the skin temporarily. And honestly, many older adults became shocked because the face sometimes looked brighter immediately after washing it away. Now imagine this clearly. A senior stands quietly at the bathroom sink before bed while mixing a very small amount of baking soda with water into a soft paste. The person gently massages it across rough, dull areas near the nose, chin, or cheeks for only a short time before rinsing carefully with lukewarm water. After drying softly with a towel, the skin suddenly looks cleaner, smoother, and fresher under the bathroom light. And honestly, this surprised many seniors because they realized rough surface buildup was making the face appear older than expected. But here is something extremely important many people ignore. Mature skin after 60 becomes thinner and more sensitive over time. That means harsh scrubbing or using too much baking soda may leave the skin feeling dry, irritated, or uncomfortable instead of refreshed. That is why many older adults now focus on gentle pressure only for short moments, instead of aggressive exfoliating routines. And here is something many seniors later realized. Healthy-looking skin is not only about removing wrinkles. Brightness, texture, and softness also change how old the face looks under light. Some older adults later noticed their skin looked more awake, simply because it no longer appeared dull and rough all the time. But do not leave yet, because the final thing in this video surprised many older adults more than anything so far. Number 5. Fresh aloe vera juice. Many seniors became interested in aloe vera juice after hearing people talk about hydration and aging skin from inside the body instead of only using products on the surface. Some older adults say they spent years focusing only on creams while completely ignoring how dryness inside the body may also affect how the skin looks over time. That is why some seniors now drink small amounts of fresh aloe vera juice, because it may help support hydration and healthy-looking skin from within. And honestly, many older adults became curious because aging skin often starts looking flatter, rougher, and less bouncy after 60. Now picture this clearly. Early in the morning, a senior pours a small glass of fresh aloe vera juice while sunlight enters the kitchen window. The habit feels simple, calm, and easy to continue daily instead of depending only on complicated beauty routines. And here is something many seniors later realized. Skin often looks healthier when the body feels supported overall. Better hydration, better sleep, gentler skincare, less irritation. Small daily habits sometimes change how the skin looks more than people expect. But here is something important. Many older adults never hear enough. The face does not suddenly become older overnight. Many times the skin slowly becomes drier, rougher, and more stressed over years without enough moisture support and gentle care. That is why some seniors are now paying more attention to simple supportive routines instead of chasing dramatic promises online. Now think about everything we covered in this video. Vaseline for nighttime moisture support, cold milk for softer feeling skin, sugar and oil scrubs for rough texture, baking soda for dull surface buildup, fresh aloe vera juice for hydration support from inside the body. Simple habits, simple ingredients. But many older adults say the biggest surprise was not looking 20 years younger. The biggest surprise was the skin starting to feel calmer, smoother, and less tired looking over time. And honestly, that matters more than many people realize after 60, because confidence changes too. Some seniors later say they stopped avoiding mirrors under bright light once their skin started feeling healthier and more comfortable again. If you enjoyed this video,